How to hide a stream on Twitch. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide a stream on Twitch. First then go to Twitch and then select any stream you want to hide, like this one, just click here and click this one. I'm not interested in this recommendation, click on it and just select anything you want here and then click done, and as you see stream has been hidden or removed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.